Ooh, we got an Otis replacement here. Right here at the famous station with the Schindler MT's hydros. But now they've been replaced by Otis GEN3s. These are not disappointed about this ball.
Why? No, it's a alright one. I like the Schindlers better because they have glass doors.
Yes.
I like the cabs on these though.
They're probably gonna put a security camera in the corner.
Yeah, eventually. They're a lot quicker now though.
Here, nice. I like that. Thank you. As you can see, oh, just stuff there. There goes the elevator. I guess that's gonna be it for me.